Since the dawn of time, humanity has dreamed of going further, of pushing past the boundaries of the possible. Today, we're taking luxury, elegance, and engineering to the absolute extreme. Introducing the all-new electric Range Rover 2027. Zero emissions, total cabin silence, and unrivaled power. But today, we aren't testing it on a scenic highway or across the dunes of a remote desert. We're testing it here, more than 380,000 kilometers from home, on the surface of the moon. It seems like the perfect test drive, doesn't it? The only problem is that this, just as you see it, is completely impossible. Cut! End of the illusion. No matter how advanced the new Range Rover is on Earth, sending it to the moon exactly as it comes from the factory would be a catastrophe of epic proportions. Let's think about the physics. Number 1. With no atmosphere, the extreme pressure difference would cause the seals and windows of this luxury cabin to collapse outward almost instantly. Number 2. The extreme climate. With temperatures dropping below -130 degrees, those beautiful standard rubber tires would freeze solid and shatter like glass on the very first impact. Number 3. Its sophisticated air suspension. In the vacuum of space, the internal fluids would crystallize instantly, completely collapsing the vehicle's support system. And number 4. Thermal management. The electric battery pack would fail dramatically, losing all its power and leaving us stranded in the darkness of the moon. A terrestrial vehicle wouldn't survive even a single minute up there. To make this possible, we had to redesign it from the ground up. But engineering never surrenders to the impossible. If we wanted the Range Rover to conquer the lunar landscape, we had to push its design to the absolute limit, merging terrestrial luxury with aerospace-grade survival. We began with the interior sanctuary. Every factory seal was replaced with ultra-thick, space-grade rubber insulation, fully pressurizing the cabin. Now, our astronaut can enjoy the leather seats and wood trim while breathing comfortably without a helmet. The biggest challenge was power, so we integrated solar panels into the body, constantly charging the modified batteries and giving the Range Rover near infinite lunar range. To conquer lunar dust and craters, traditional tires had to go. We replaced them with flexible metal mesh wheels that can't puncture or freeze, paired with a heavy-duty suspension built to handle the moon's harsh terrain. Finally, to turn this into a true scientific mission, we equipped the Range Rover with storage systems, powerful LED light bars, and a robotic arm capable of collecting lunar rocks directly from the driver's seat. Every part of this machine was redesigned, creating the most elegant exploration vehicle ever built. Humanity was not born to stay where it began. It was born to challenge the impossible and rewrite history. We present to you the totally new 2027 Range Rover Lunar Edition. Because when the asphalt ends, our true journey is only just beginning.